So you've probably heard about this thing called ChatGPT. It's everywhere, but maybe you're thinking, that's for tech guys or writers. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not true at all. Think of it like having a super smart assistant right in your pocket. And in just the next few minutes, you're going to know exactly how to talk to it. Let's jump in.
And hey, this isn't just some passing fad. Like our source material says, this tech is being used by, well, pretty much everyone. Big companies, small shops, students trying to get their homework done. They're all using it. So our job here is to show you how you can get in on this, like right now. Okay, so what is ChatGPT really? A lot of what makes it so cool is actually hidden right there in the name. So let's break it down, nice and simple, and see what's going on under the hood.
Let's look at that GPT part. It stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Sounds complicated, right? It's not. Generative just means it can create new stuff, like sentences and ideas. Pre-trained means it's already done its homework. It's read a gigantic chunk of the internet. And Transformer? That's just the fancy tech that lets it understand how sentences actually work. So basically, it's a really smart writer that's already read everything for you. So we know what it is. Now, how do we get it to do what we want? This is where it gets super easy and also really powerful. The whole secret, the absolute key to making ChatGPT work for you, is one little thing: the prompt. Prompt is just a word for the instructions you give it. It's your command. It's you telling this super smart assistant exactly what you need. And here's the deal. What you get out of it is only as good as what you put in. Garbage in, garbage out, you know? Okay, so if the prompt is the key, how do we make a good one? Let's get right to it and look at how to write prompts that will get you some seriously amazing results. This right here is the #1 rule. You've got to be specific. Look at that first prompt. Write about mortgages. You're going to get a long, boring essay that's not very helpful. But look at the second one. Explain in 30 words what a mortgage is. Boom. You get a short, clear answer you can actually use. The more specific you are, the better it works. It's that simple. So yeah, clear instructions are everything. And don't be afraid to add a little detail. Give it some background. You can even tell it who to be. Like, act as an interviewer and ask me some tough questions. And if you don't like the answer you get, just ask again in a different way. You don't have to be all formal with it either. Just talk to it like you'd talk to a person. Okay, hang on, a quick but super, super important warning here. Sometimes the AI just makes stuff up. They call it hallucinating. It's not trying to lie to you. It's just trying to fill in the blanks. And it can sound really convincing even when it's totally wrong. So for anything important, and I mean anything, the rule is simple: distrust and verify. Always double check its work. All right, with that little warning out of the way, let's get back to the good stuff. Once you get the hang of writing prompts, what can you actually do? Well, let's talk about the AI superpowers you're about to unlock. This is where it gets really fun. I mean, look at this list. Hate writing resumes? It'll do it for you. Nervous about a job interview? You can practice with it. It can write all those annoying emails you have to send for work. It can take a super long article you don't have time to read and give you the short version. It's like your personal brainstormer, your homework helper, even your travel agent. The possibilities are just endless. Let's make this real for a second. Instead of staring at a blank page trying to write a resume, you could just give ChatGPT your job info with a prompt just like this one. It'll not only put it all together for you, but it'll help you pull out the good stuff, your key achievements, to make you look like a total rock star. Or what about this? A simple task that just sucks up your time and energy. With a really clear prompt, you get a perfect email in like 5 seconds. Just think of how much time you could save every week on all the little things like this. So are you feeling it? Ready to try it out? Awesome, because getting started is honestly the easiest part. If you're thinking this has got to be complicated to sign up for, you're wrong. You can have a totally free account and be writing your first prompt in about 2 minutes flat. Seriously, it's just 3 little steps. You go to the website, that's chat.openai.com, click the sign up button, and then just verify your email and phone. And that's it, you're in. The free version is crazy powerful, and it's perfect for everything we've been talking about. So there you have it. You've got the keys to the kingdom. You know what this thing is, how to talk to it, and all the cool stuff it can do for you. The only thing left to do is to start talking. So that brings us to our final question for you. What's the very first thing you're going to ask your new AI assistant?